value we bring to the dams is the geospatial processing of the data. So when you fix a dam, classically you have to build a wall through the bedrock and soils beneath and around the dam. And sometimes based on the geology of that area and the age of the dam and how it was constructed, those holes can be really, really deep. So as we're remedying the dam and drilling holes through it and under it and through the bedrock under it, those holes need to be installed precisely where they need to be. If they're off by even a fraction of a degree, when we drill the next hole adjacent to it, we might not have overlap. And that means we can have water leaking through and around the dam, and that can cause problems. So we've developed algorithms that measure these holes and measure the three-dimensional shape that they are, and we will figure out whether there's going to be sufficient overlap. And we can do that within several minutes of receiving the data. So the more classical workflow would take several hours. Everyone's waiting around on site, figuring out if they need to move equipment. That's a huge cost saver. If we can verify the excavation, the contractor can move on, start drilling the next hole, they can start backfilling it with cement, and everyone's happy. Well, we have really good experience and a really good reputation in that industry. We have the vertical integration. We're working with the subject matter experts, the geotechnical engineers, the contractors. We have all of these relationships and experience, and I think we do a good job at facilitating those communications, because the owners, the contractors, the consultants, the engineers, they all have different needs, they all have different lingo, and we work with all of them